Hello everyone, I am Sajad, your pharmacist, and you are watching my YouTube channel Pharma Inform. In Pharma Inform, today we are going to discuss a most commonly asked question, which is why compression machines have odd number of punches, or why compression machines have odd number of stations. This question is very confusing question, and most of us are not able to give its technical reasoning. So in this video we will remove this question, and after watching this video you will be able to understand the reason why we have odd number of punches in our compression machines. The answer of this question is directly related to the types of compression machines, because if you will not first of all understand the types of compression machines, you will remain confused, because most of you are thinking that you have seen the compression machines which have even number of punches. So why I am recording the video? So to clear these all confusions, be with me and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button, so that you may be able to receive the notification of our such informative videos. So first of all, discuss the types of compression machines. Basically, rotary compression machines are of two types: single feed rotary compression machines and double feed rotary compression machines. In single feed rotary compression machines, one tablet is produced in one round. Mean when our turret revolves or complete its one round, only one tablet is produced, and it has one set of main compression rollers. Mean one upper roll is present, and when lower compression roller or wheel is present, and our upper punch and our lower punch, and this one is die, and these pass between these wheels. Mean in single feed compression machines, one tablet is compressed in one round, and we have one set of compression wheels. One is on the upper side and one is on the lower side. So what is the double feed rotary compression machines? In double feed rotary compression machines, two tablets are compressed when our turret completes its one complete round. So in double feed rotary compression machines, we have two sets of main compression rollers. One is installed on the right side and one is installed on the left side, or one is installed on the front side and one is installed on the back side, depending upon the machine construction. Main in double feed compression machines, we have two sets of compression rollers. So these are upper punch, these are lower punch. Here is die, here is the upper punch, here is the lower punch, and here is the die. So in the double feed rotary compression machines, we have two sets of main compression rollers, and when turret completes its one round, all the punches and dies passes through these two sets of the compression wheel. Hope you are now familiar with the types of compression machines. Now come to the main question: why compression machines have odd number of punches? Like you have seen the rotary compression machines which have number of punches 17, 19, 33, 35, 37 and so on. So it is a basic idea or basic question that why these are not in the even numbers like 18, 20, 34, 36, 38. So the answer of this question is that in case of single feed compression machines, you may have seen the even number of tooling or even number of stations or even number of punches in the compression machine, because in the single feed compression machines we have no issue with the even number of the tooling. The main issue having the even number of punches is for the double feed compression machines. That is why we do not have even number of punches or even number of stations for the double feed rotary compression machines. And the reason behind this is that it is for the dynamic balancing of the machine. This is the two words answer of this question, dynamic balancing of the compression machine. And now we will elaborate this term, dynamic balancing. So what is the dynamic balancing? Dynamic, as you know, that is the motion. Mean dynamic balancing is the balance of compression machine when it is running. So we do not have even number, we do not have odd number of punches in the compression machines, in the double feed compression machines, due to the reason of dynamic balancing. If we install even number of punches in our double feed compression machines, the dynamic balancing of the compression machine will be disturbed. Suppose we have a compression machine which have 39 number of punches. So if we divide these punches, the ratio will be 90/20, mean 90 punches on one side and 20 punches on one side. So when our turret revolves at the same time, both punches will not come under the compression rollers, because when here will be the punch under the main compression roll, the punch from this compression roll will pass away, mean both of the punches will not come in contact with the compression roller at the same time. So what will happen if these both punches come under contact with the main compression rollers? So if both punches on both sides in double feed compression machines come under the main compression rollers, the machine will be overloaded and our machine will be jammed. It will not be able to move. To understand this concept, just take the example of climbing on the stairs or the example of walking. We walk like this one, this one, this one and this one. In the same way, we put one foot on one stair, then on second on the other, then second, then first, and this so on. We do not climb on the stairs with the both feet at the same time. Mean if we want to go from one stair to this stair, we cannot go like this, like jumping. We have to lift our one foot, place over the step, then lift back foot and place on the step and then go on. In this way we have smooth climbing on the stairs, or we have smooth pattern of our running. So in the same way, if we have odd number of punches installed, if we have even number of punches installed in double feed compression machines, both punches will simultaneously come under the main compression rollers. These will come under the load and dynamic balancing of machine will be disturbed, and our machine will produce very heavy noise and it will produce vibrations and it will jammed, and major accident to the compression machine will occur. That is why we always have odd number of punches in double feed compression machines, so that when one punch pass under the main compression wheels of the right side, at the same time the compression wheel of the other side remain free. Means right side punch is under the compression wheel, then the left side compression wheel will have no punch below it, so it will ensure our smooth running of compression machine. I hope you are now familiar with the concept why compression machines have odd number of punches. If you have any confusion, or if I am not able to deliver the concept, you can ask in the comment box. I will elaborate it for you. The simple concept is for the dynamic balancing, so that to ensure the smooth running of our compression machines. And the simple point is that at the same time both punches are not able to come under the compression rollers. So if you like the video, share it with others and subscribe our channel. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.